Good morning. It is Thursday. I feel like I always start like that, but we haven't really done anything today. We've just sat and edited. Jack's dying from today. Look at this picture from the dog yesterday. Look how horrible I look. But it's like sheer happiness. But I've decided we needed a intro for our channel, so I've just spent the last however many hours going through. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. That kind of thing. So shortly, it might already be up, but we will have an introduction to our channel. It's a pretty cool video, I must say, but I'm kind of at that point now where I want it to finish, but the song that I've put to it is at too much of like a high, and it just kind of stops like that. So I feel like it needs to be longer, and I need the song to be like at a low level, but we'll figure it out. Hannah's gone for breakfast with Gino, me and Jack are just chilling here, and we've got our bus to Lima at like 6 PM tonight, just for an evening, just overnight, and then we are flying to the Amazon tomorrow, so that'd be good. I want to get a cool picture of Huacachina from above. I'm not going to take my camera up though, because I nearly broke the thing when we went up the other day, just where the sand is in the zoom lens. Once it's stuck forever, so I'm just going to take my phone and you guys. And I'm going to walk halfway up there. I just want to do it before the clouds really ruin the blue sky. Like, it's kind of blue. I feel like it's going to look more blue from above, so yes. Let us vamonos. Some guy in the hostel just came back from down here and was like, oh, don't worry, the sand isn't hot yet. It was only 12:30. The guy lied to my face. It's bloody boiling. The sand's hot, the sky's hot, I'm hot. It's cool though. Very out of breath. It's a real calf, thigh, butt workout, because with every step you take, you sink. But this is my view currently. There's heaps of school children doing sandboarding, but that is Huacachina. To be fair, I reckon it's good enough picture here. Maybe I'll just go over this little bit. That's where we walked for sunset that other day. Oh, screw it, I'll short here. But cool. It's cool, hey. Sand dunes are super cool. The only thing that's kind of crappy is there is quite a bit of litter. Not on this one, but the one where we went for sunset, there's heaps of litter, so kind of ruined. So we're gonna try this again. Amy, what are the odds that you'll jump in the pool with your delicious chicken wing in hand? But like, you can keep it out of the water, but you gotta jump in with the chicken wing.
One.
Huh? Okay. Okay, count us in.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. No, you got it. No, okay. Okay, we'll count it. 3, 2, 1, 2. I didn't even think about it that time. Nah, just jump in anyway. Oh, she's absolute filth. Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, señorita Hannah. ¿Tú cómo estás?
Muy bien.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. That cannot go. Do you like barbecue chicken wings? Because I do. And I'm currently at Banana Hostel eating the best chicken wings you've ever eaten. Chicken, fingered chicken licking goodness. Our new YouTube intro is up. It's super cute. Oh my god, I keep falling off this wall. I really like it. I've watched it like 100 times. We've just chilled out, got ready to go. I've just ordered some more food because we leave in about an hour. Yeah, I ordered falafel, but I got an extra pita bread this time. Just got to the hostel in Lima. Lima's like a huge city, but it's raining. They screwed up our room, so we're just in like this 4-bed. It says private room, but it's still bunk beds. And then literally get up tomorrow. We've got a taxi at 11 because it takes an hour to get to the airport, and then yeah, our flight is at 2. So hola and adios Lima. Thank God, because apparently it's a shithole. But good night. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good morning.